So, being a Scotsman, I fell in love with this MoreVeg site because the prices are absolutely fantastic. And I'll go through now some of the other vegetables that I'm going to be growing this year. First one is parsnip, Parsnip. And you can see that there are different ones. Gladiator, I've grown that one before, but the one I went with was this parsnip Guernsey. Now you can see it only cost there 50 pennies for, I think it's about 60 seeds. And Alan Titchmarsh, Writing December, recommends this is the very best roasting variety. And it's got a terrific flavour. So, if Alan Titchmarsh says it's a good, then who am I to argue with him? So, that's my parsnips. The next one is a calabrese called Blue Wind, an F1. Oh, how did I spell that? So there they are. 50 pence, 75 pence. And the one that I went for is this one, Blue Wind. A fine flavoured, speedy calabrese. I want things that grow fast. 20 seeds I've bought. So that's it. To freeze, blanch for 2 minutes, plunge into cold water, drain, then pack. So I think I got it because it was fast growing. I like to get in there and out as quick as possible when it comes to growing things. The next one was cabbage. And you can see there's cabbage primo, wok wok, Chinese cabbage, cabbage golden. And the one that I went for was early Jersey Wakefield, that one. 50 pence, and it's one of these sort of conical cabbages. Cabbage Early Jersey Wakefield, tender and crisp, solid conical heads on compact plants. You don't have much space, then you want a compact plant. A delicious heirloom, 20 seeds, so March to July. So that sounds like it's a good fast growing cabbage for me. Next one is a cucumber. And it's Diva F1. There it is here. I don't want enormous long sort of cucumbers, I like them sort of short. A tender skin, crisp texture, sweet taste and non-bitter flavour, and seedless nature with very small fruits, up to 15 centimetres. This variety has superior eating qualities. Very good yields, 8 weeks and onwards. That's what I want. 2 months, just right for the Finnish summer. The next one that I went for was squash, and it was the Harrier F1, which is this one here. 50p again. I mean, see, can you beat that? It's a butternut squash. This is the perfect companion for hunter. It matures slightly earlier, and so it will start your season. This is a British bred and is perfectly suited for our climate. Fine yields and an attractive and tasty butternut. 3 seeds for 50. So, if you get 2 or 3 squashes per plant, then that's good. And then the next one is turnip. And the one that I went for is a red globe. Red globe, there she is. So it looks quite a big turnip with this sort of purplish. Thought it would expand bigger, but it just stays the same. It's a purplish top to it. A lovely heirloom variety dating from the 1800s. A round, slightly flattened roots, white with reddish tops. The flesh is tender white and excellent quality. 100 seeds for 50p. You must be joking. Brussels sprouts. This is my wife's favourite vegetable. Brussels sprouts, and the one that I went for was Evesham Special. Let's see where it is. Brussels Evesham Special. There it is. Yeah. And that's 50 pennies again. A well-known traditional variety. We think it has excellent flavour. Sow in April, May to crop in September. Through to it's vigorous and hardy. A firm favourite. And this was a top Brussels sprout choice last year. 15 seeds. Soon be finished. I wanted to go for some chilies, and the one that I went for was Anaheim. Here we are. So it says here, considered to be milder flavoured. These meaty chilies are large, 15 to 20 centimetres long, and produce in a compact plant. And that's what I want. I don't want it to be blown over. And will grow to about 60 centimetres in height. They'll be ready for picking in 12 weeks. That's 3 months. Time is of the essence here in Finland. So that's it. And the last one is some giant sunflowers, which is Helianthus. I spelled that wrong. Okay, it's tall single. That's the one that I went for. But you can see there are lots of different varieties that you can get from there. So got 12 different types. Vanilla ice, vanilla sonia, vanilla chocolate, ring of fire, music box, earth walker. But the one that I got was this one. Tall single. This is the choice if you want to go for height or cover up some shed or something. They can grow to 300 centimeters or 10 feet. And you're getting 20 seeds for 50p. This place is a bargain, I'm telling you. MoreVeg, if you want lots of variety, good seeds at a good price, then go there.